Always get Hecko, yo, because Hecko are the best.
Where's Ali when you need it? Get his toes on it.
Get his fucking toes on there, man. Bring it up. That's what you do. Just like that.
Oh, is that what you do?
Yeah, yo. It'll just...
Always something with this guy.
Oh, see how it clicked it? Oh, clicked it there. Lift the back.
Okay, alright though.
And then obviously this side doesn't have it.
Well, is this side even a goal for me?
Indigo Production.
Welcome back to the video. So in today's video we got Jeff behind the camera again. Hello. Right, today we're going to be not changing but adding window deflectors to the car, okay? So I'll show you on one side and it's the same on the other side. So just put your windows down. This is a Golf R, by the way.
By the way as well,
Yeah.
it's a wind deflector, not a window deflector. You're deflecting wind, not windows.
Is it?
Wind deflectors.
Wind deflector, yeah, that one. Right, turn my Bluetooth off. Music's playing. Let me show you the window deflectors. Wind deflectors. Wind deflectors.
Yeah, a window deflector.
Yeah, but
you put it on the window, but you're deflecting wind.
Alright.
You ain't deflecting the windows.
Deflector. Boy, if you type in on Google, you type in window deflector, that's what it is. No, wind deflector. I know what you mean. It's deflecting wind.
No. I'm gonna check that. I'm gonna check that, bro.
Let me turn my goddamn window deflector.
Wind deflector.
No, bro, go on eBay. This is fucking Google, bro. Talking shit.
Well, you know what, mate? One sec. All this damn camera. Let me do this for 1 second.
Yeah.
Wind deflector. Yeah, wind deflector. Car parts.
Yeah.
Mate, what are they there, big man? Team Echo. Wind deflectors.
Tell you what, this is why Jeff's behind the camera. Right, so I'll show you anyway. Right, we got Hecko. Always get Hecko, yo, because Hecko are the best. Right, they come with clips over here.
Welcome back to the video.
Oh yeah, welcome back to the video. No, I've already started the goddamn video, yo.
Oh shit.
They already know, yo. Look, they got the clips. You might not need these, okay? I only use them when it's really you'll know. Okay, I'll show you here when it's flimsy. But I'm sure these won't be flimsy. Do they look the same on both sides? Let's see. They come with sticky tape, but I don't know about that sticky tape, man. Team Echo. Right, that goes like this. Okay, see the writing? Writing at the front, writing at the back. The far side is going to go at the front. Okay, over here. You see it here, yeah? The best way to do this, let me just see what this is. Yeah, very weak masking tape. Take this off.
I've just cut my damn nails as well today, otherwise I would have helped today, man. We got them gnashes in there. Where's Ali when you need it? Get his toes on it.
Get his fucking toes on there, man. Rip the fucking tape off.
Jabs fucking post some out here. Fucking. Probably got some spares in his drawers.
When's he coming down anyway? Right,
He's
see this here? See that gap? See it, Jeff? Right? See the gap? I'm gonna shove it in there, yeah? Okay, and then see up here. See up here. Right, up there. And then look, see what I'm doing? I'm bringing it up. That's what you do. Just like that.
Oh, is that what you do?
Yeah, yo. It'll just in there. Now, that's on that. Right? Normally, you see these clips here. They give you these clips, but you don't need the clips. Where'd my knife go? Yeah. So
I was watching your usage with that knife, though, I'm a dangerous person. Oh, crazy person.
Crazy. Pick that up. Right. Thing with these clips here, you don't need them. It's only when there's bare play in them. Like that's snug. That's not gonna go anywhere. Okay, that's gonna stay there. Once I close this window in there, it's just gonna set in there. It's not gonna fall out. You can't pull it down. It's only when like see your seals are like open the fuck up and it's proper loose, and then you can put these in. But honestly, if you put these in, it's fucking solid to get out. But now, seeing how it's in there, now all I need to do, right now,
I think I put my ass on the door and it locked the door.
right, so now
My bad.
the ignition on. Wait, will it? That fucking doing, bitch. Oh right, the fucking rear one had the button press. Had the safety lock on.
Always something with this guy.
Oh, see how it clicked it? One sec. Hold it. Come on. That's it, it's set. That'll stay there now. Just be careful not to put the windows down. Literally just leave this overnight. Come in the morning, it's fucking set, it's done. Now with the front one, let me turn the ignition off. The front one is a bit more trickier.
Move them over there so I'm off here. I'm least scared.
Oh right, right. No, right job.
Yeah, they're all right. Like your old grip the front ends.
Right, yo. So this one here, look at that. Straight on there, just like that, okay? Let me just take my fingers. And then I'll do one side and then I'll show you the other side just so you can compare them. Oh fuck is this taking the tape off? Need Nash's here, Mo.
Sneak! Alright, see what you need in there. I swear you could just put your knife in it a tiny bit.
Because the double-sided tape isn't even that sticky.
No, but the knife ain't as sharp as Ali's Nash's.
Right, with this one,
Blunt compared to this.
with this one you can't feed it like the way you did this one. So you have to just feed the get. Now see this what bit here, Jeff? Yeah. This will stay outside this like that, okay? So you feed it in, get it in there, right? See how we're sitting on the edge there, whereas that bit's there, and then just work your way like this, but not all the way, okay? Oh, you fucking bastard. Get back. You be careful in there, bitch. Okay, stay in there, right? And then come over here, and then you bend it like this. See the bend? You bend this side in, right? And then you just work it. Push it in. There you go. There you go. There we go. Now see, there's no play in it, right? It's pretty much, it's in there. It's not going to come off. So if it was loose, then put one of them pins in. But now we just check if it'll close. You just got to feed it in. Oh, clipped it there. Lift the back. Fucking golden, mate. Look at that. Straight on there.
Still sticking out in that corner though, no?
Hey?
No.
Yeah, that's how it is. That's how it is. Yeah, that
be,
bit just sticks out, whereas the rest of it just sits inside. Yeah. So that's that there. Alright, Jav, what do you think, Mosh? Like that? Show them the difference, mate. Between this one and that side. The side that's got it and the side that don't, yeah. Ooh. Alright, that. And then obviously this side doesn't have it.
Well, is this side even a goal for me?
But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll just put them on. You don't need to see the rest. It's pretty much simple. You only need to use the little pins if it's really flimsy and it's fucked. But other than that, cheers for watching. See you in the next one.
I'm a different kind of chick.